Hello, today I am going to show you how to make a baby gift set of teddy bear, milk bottle, and the bib. Check out the description box for the materials and the pattern link. So this is how the pattern or template looks like, and there are two sizes, a rectangular box and a square box. This part is really easy. All you need to do is cut the pattern or the template and then just follow the lines and fold it. Then glue the corners and you are done. And here's how it looks like. This is the square box, by the way. To make the feeding bottle, take a small white clay and roll it to a log around 5 millimeters long. Cut the sides so it will have a nice and even bottom and top, and then set it aside. For the nipple, take a small amount of translucent clay and roll it to a thin snake. Make one end narrower than the other and then slice it. Then pre-bake the nipple and the white clay. After pre-baking, take another small amount of translucent clay and rub this around the pre-baked white clay. Extend the clay to 10 millimeters long. And then remove any accumulating clay on the bottom of the pre-baked white clay. Just keep on rolling and reducing the clay until you get the correct form or until you are satisfied with the form. Next, add a colored clay for the neck bottle. Roll it to a small ball and flatten it with your finger. And then add it on top of the extended clay, so not where the pre-baked clay is. Roll it gently so it will stick properly to the white clay and also give a nice even shape. Then you can add the nipple on the center of the bottle, and before doing that, dip the nipple or the bottom of the nipple to a liquid clay so it will hold properly. And lastly, add some details and then set it aside. To make the bear, you need a colored clay, and here I am using the same color as the bottleneck. And then you also need a white, brown, or black clay for the eyes. So first, let's create the head. Make a ball and then slightly pinch one side because this is where the ears will go. Then I added a small dent on the face area for the snout, and of course this is optional. For the ears, make two small balls and flatten them with your finger. Then add a detail using the ball tool. Attach the ears on the side of the head where you pinched it. Add two small dots for the eyes. Next, add a small white ball clay on the face and then slightly flatten it using your finger. Then add the small brown nose and the brown or the black eyes. Roll an oblong-shaped clay for the body and slightly pinch the ends and attach this to the head. You can also make some adjustments using a silicone tool. Don't forget to add the belly button. For the arms and legs, roll a small ball and make this a log with one narrow end. Then slightly pinch the wider end to give it a detail. Then attach the narrow end on the shoulder area. You can do the same technique for the legs, only make it a little bit bigger than the arms. Add liquid clay on all the attached parts to make it bond stronger. For the bib, I am using a white fabric which I coated with a fabric medium. I only applied one coat for the fabric, but it was kind of thick. While waiting for the fabric medium to dry, I made a simple template of a square bib from a piece of paper. I then cut the template and then traced it on the fabric. Then just simply cut the fabric. Next, I added a really simple design on the fabric. I used a ball tool to create dots on the fabric using acrylic paint. Then lastly, I added a crochet yarn around the bib by gluing it with a fabric glue. And finally, arrange the gift in the box. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye and see you next time.